Welcome back, YouTubers, Gunners, subscribers. Today's an important day. It's a fun day. We're taking Lefty to the body shop. I'm excited because the process begins and we're gonna start to see this thing almost yellow. You know what I mean? Repping Kobe hard today, man, and Gigi. Yeah. So I've stripped the doors, as you guys seen. I got all that ready. I put it inside the truck, and I just got to get more stuff that's upstairs for the entire car, and we're gonna get the ball rolling. Hopefully, Ben comes by. Maybe he can meet us here or at the body shop. He lives close, and he can weld up the plates. But we're in for an exciting day, a fun day. So start gunning. All right, now. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right. All right, so. All right. All right, guys. Yep, all right. All right, guys. All right. All right, so. Okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
So we're gonna use the dolly today. I'm gonna use 2 straps on the dolly. I'm gonna actually put one in the front, like how Trappy did, and then we're gonna put one across the chassis, just to make sure it's nice and safe. Now, literally, we only built this cart to bring it back and forth from the body shop. That's basically it. So here inside the truck, I put the 2 doors in, put a little cardboard in between. Don't want to scratch or dent. I know it's getting painted, but it's one less piece of body work they got to do. So just waiting now. Just waiting. Tow truck will be here soon. I'm waiting for Trappy. Bring all that stuff down, and we can rock and roll. All right, so I got my straps and everything ready for when the tow truck comes. I wanted to share this with you real quick. Guys, I took your suggestion on the dupla color vinyl and fabric paint. Now, I just wanted to inform you that this is what I'm going with, not the dye. This looked a little bit more efficient and simpler, honestly. And for me to track down dye, I don't know. Probably would have been easy, probably not. But we are going to paint all the panels black. We're going to paint the dashboard black. We're going to paint the carpet black. So I got 3 cans. Hopefully that's enough. They say roughly about 2 cans for the carpet. So see how that goes. I just wanted to share that with you guys right here. This is what I went with. Focus up. Come on, buddy. There it is. Okay? Appreciate the suggestion. Thank you, guys. There you have it, guys. We got all our stuff down from upstairs. Most important thing about this, to me, in my opinion, is the matching VINs. So everything is matching. Chassis to parts. So front bumper is in great shape. Back bumper's in great shape. Everything's in good shape. It definitely needs body work. It definitely needs, a few dings taken out. But I couldn't pass up on having the VIN numbers match. So we've got our side skirts, front fenders, front bumper, rear bumper. We're going to end up installing a diffuser in that. So we'll probably cut out the diffuser now. So, well, not today. I'll go to the body shop and pick it up tomorrow. Or I'll do it at the body shop. Just cut out the back diffuser. So once it's painted, we don't have a chance at messing anything up. We'll just bolt up the diffuser. Got our hood there. Got our 2 doors in the truck. Tow truck should be here any moment now. So we'll load everything up and we'll get to the body shop. Okay, come lower it.
What?
Come lower the car.
What you want? You want it down? More? Oh, good. It's good?
Okay, go down. Yep, all the way down.
All the way?
All the way. It's stuck.
Like
Wait.
No more?
All the way down.
Move it. Okay.
down on the car? Okay, good, good. I'm gonna put one strap in the middle.
That one?
In the middle. Under the car. Under. Through here. Ready? Up there. Got it? See it?
Yeah, I got it.
Pull it. It's under the wood?
Yeah,
Under the wood?
yeah. Oh, you want me good,
That's
Ozzy?
it. That's it, brother. That's it! All right, guys, we got the car out. Now we're just gonna wait for the tow truck. It's gonna come in reverse down this street. Unlock the wheels and load it up. Over six. Over six. Over six. Ooh! Ay! Ay, mama!
Yo, what happened? You crazy?
My boy Freddie coming down the street. This is the official tow truck driver for R&R Sassone. You guys ever broken down, man, anywhere in New York? Just hit this man up right here, bro. He's a good dude. Real gunner. Got the car all set up for him right here. I'll winch it up. See how it goes. Single winch in the back, right? That's it. Strap the front.
Right in the back, and put a strap across.
That's it.
Let's go.
Call it a day.
Oh, it's gonna be perfect. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah.
That good?
Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Jesus Christ, you're fucking buddy. Push it over here a little bit.
That went extremely smooth, boys. And put one strap. We ain't going far. About 2 miles away from here is the body shop. Gonna put one strap just to hold it down. We'll be at the body shop in like 5 minutes. Right there. I got you. Go ahead. Strap the chassis down to the bed. Clean that line up. Yes, sir. My man. Mírate el cabrón. Mírate el cabrón.
Cabrón.
¿Dónde tú estás, cabrón? Look at Juice. Look at Sub-Zero.
Yeah. That nigga got coronavirus.
We here, bro. We here. Just so genius it might work, boys. Nailed it. Yeah, it's on wheels. All four to me. That's.
It's on the floor.
Nah, that's it. You got to just remove the winch.
Yeah. It's all yours, gentlemen.
All ours. Look at that. And one of the wheels is locked up. Moves good, man. Moves good, boy. Carlito, this car belongs to you now. That's it. They're gonna kill this car, boys. They're gonna murder it. What are you doing there, Russ?
Honda.
You took a picture of that. Why?
Of the labels, so we can call auto data labels and get brand new labels that match these, the exact same ones, so it looks.
And you peel
factory.
that off.
Yeah,
and
take these off.
Awesome.
Get brand new ones.
Awesome. Time to go in the hole, right? You ready?
Yeah.
That's it. That's the home. It's the home for a few weeks. All right, Russ. What's the process here? What are you gonna do?
Take the glass out, then fix all the dents in the car, any little dings, any scratches, imperfections. Sand the whole car down, get it in primer, then wet sand the primer and paint the car.
Awesome. How's the prep I did so far?
It's real easy when a car comes like this because I don't really have to do anything as far as taking anything apart. It's just body work.
I stripped the doors for you, everything.
Yeah,
so
makes it
basically,
simple.
ideally, if you guys wanted to take care of people on painting, basically you would want them to bring it somewhat like this, right?
This is
If they're
really
doing a
far.
full color change. If they're not doing a full color change, how would you want the car? If they're just doing the exterior.
Leave all the panels on it, just take the door handles, the mirrors, the moldings, that kind of stuff off.
Yeah, and I showed them already how to do that.
Yeah.
So, awesome. To be here for a couple of days. Zeus, shop manager here. I got a big dent right here.
That's nothing. I will pull that right
It's not that bad.
Well, you're keeping that hatch?
Yeah, we're gonna keep that hatch. Gonna keep it all matching VINs, no carbon, all yellow. I'm getting the moldings soon, the thin moldings. I
Right.
took that out. So
Somebody had 'em, you found
yeah,
'em?
somebody had them in Connecticut. They're gonna ship them out to me.
We'll seal this.
Yeah. Me and Trappy cleaned up as much rust as we can. The bottom you don't have to worry about. We took care of all of that. So it's literally just like, everything you see yellow.
Zeus, call the glass guy.
Yeah, he's coming today, so.
We get a glass guy to remove everything off, try to salvage it, put them back on. But that's it. We'll bring in the rest of the parts. They got like tool parts stands, parts carts there, and we'll be good. So Russ right now is ordering all the factory labels, factory VIN,
Autodatalabels.com.
autodatalabels.com.
Yep.
And you can re-get that.
You can. Yep.
Do you need any special permit, license, or anything?
No. I had a problem one time where a car must have been a total loss prior, and they sent me back an email saying that they needed an insurance company estimate to send me those labels.
But other than that, it's pretty
Other
simple.
than that, no. You can get them as long as they must be hooked up with the Fed somehow. That what they do is legal, so
Okay.
it's legal.
Awesome. My boy Ben's here. He lives up the street, so he's gonna weld these plates for us. I've been getting him how good are they?
These
Not
are
bad?
perfect, man.
Perfect?
Perfect.
Not bad. Should be an easy job for you, right?
Easy.
But, and you literally can walk to your house from here.
Bro, it's like.
But how did you walked there?
I walked.
I'm about to say, you live right around the corner.
Like,
Ronnie wants to be on YouTube. What do you got to say? Say something good, man.
We're putting a small block Chevy in this motherfucker
Yo,
tonight.
These guys drag on two things with me.
Show them the bow
Hondas.
tie, Ronnie. Where?
Hondas.
Where's it? Look, show 'em.
This guy's Chevy. This guy's Chevy to the heart. This guy domestic right here. These guys rag on me on two things all the time: Hondas and my shoes. Whatever shoes I'm wearing. they got.
no, not when
No, these
those
are not that
good.
bad. Yeah.
I seen you wearing like one's green, the other one's orange. I'm like, what's wrong with your shoes,
yeah.
cuz?
I know,
Like,
I
chill.
got you.
But all right, we're gonna make this thing look as good, if not better than the AK. This thing's gonna come out like top shelf shit.
I love it. Thank you, brother.
It's gonna be something they're gonna be talking about us for a long time. brother.
That's awesome. Can't wait.
We're gonna make it happen.
Can't wait. Back at the garage here. Since we have so much room for activities, we're gonna paint the block today. Probably prep the carpet a little bit more, but we're just gonna get as much done as we can while the car's not here and keep progressing. And yes, you guessed it, it's getting painted purple. So we went with this purple right here. It's like a metallic anodized. What's up with the zoom? There it is. That's a nice color. How good you think it's gonna look with this color, boys? How good you think? Come on now. Come on. That's great. Well, guys, that's it for today. Well, for this vlog. I don't want to cram too much information. I want to kind of keep things separate. So by the next vlog that you're going to be watching, which is tomorrow, we're going to start painting that block. So I hope you guys are enjoying the content. I'm excited to see how well Sassone does with this car. I believe they're going to kill it. Absolute kill it. Give them a follow. I'll put their IG inside my description. Yeah, that's it, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe, keep gunning, all that. Share, do all the S's.
You know it's 5.